All right, so player A has an RBI of 0.293. Player B has an RBI of 3/8, and player C has an RBI of 28%. RBIs are a statistic that they use in baseball to determine how many or how often do they score a hit or score a point for their team. So the higher your RBI, the better of a baseball player you are determined to be. So that's something that you want. So we want to see who has the highest RBI to the lowest RBI. So we need to turn these all into the same entity. So we're going to make these all decimals. Player A's RBI is already a decimal at 0.293. So there's nothing I need to do there. Player B, though, has an RBI of 3/8, and we're going to turn that into a decimal. So that's actually one of those ones that I recommended that you memorize, but if you didn't, we can do the division on the side. 8 doesn't go into 3, but it would go into 30. That's going to be 3 times. 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract, you get a 6. Bring down a 0. 8 goes into 67 times. 8 times 7 is 56. Subtract, you get a 4. Bring down a 0. 8 goes into 45 times, and that is exact. So that is 0.375. And then lastly, we have player C. Player C has an RBI of 28%. To turn that into a decimal, we just move that decimal place 2 spots, and I have 0.28. I'm going to rewrite this one over here, 0.293. So I've got all the decimals lined up in a row. I'm going to fill that empty spot here with a 0, and I'm going to put them in order from highest RBI to lowest RBI. So the player with the highest RBI is going to be player B at 0.375. That's actually a really good RBI. Next, we would have player A, and then lastly, we would have player C.